So to start us off, I know that we haven't been posting as much as we should have been, and that's just because that we've had a lot of videos and just ended up scrapping them. But we are going to be making a lot of videos, especially out here, like how to make a potato cannon, just videos like that. And in this video, this is actually going to be part 1 of a series in building this. And we're just going to be clearing things out, putting up walls, and just making the outline of our arena. And yeah, we're really excited for this. Be sure to watch to the end to find out how far we get. Alright guys, it's day 2 in the woods, and it just rained, so everything's pretty wet. We're just going to be finishing the covers and maybe building a bridge across the creek. Alright, we're taking a break from building the covers and we're going to make a little shooting range. As you can see, there's a big ditch where the creek is, and we're just going to set it up in here. Alright guys, so we finished most of the forts and the little structures on the arena. We have a little cove in here, that's part of the boundary going around. And then we have a cover right here, and over there we have another one. And the boundary, as you can see, just extends around. And it goes around that limb over there. And it's not a very big arena, but it's kind of an odd shape. It kind of curves around some places, but it will look a lot more clear whenever we're actually doing some gameplay.